Adjective. An adjective adds meaning to a noun or pronoun. Adjectives are a major part of speech that not only make nouns and pronouns more interesting, but they also provide a lot more information when we use them in speech and writing. For example, they live in a beautiful house. She is an adorable child. This is the prettiest dress in the window. He is a fantastic human being. Types of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality. Adjective of number. Interrogative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Possessive adjective. Exclamatory adjective. Emphatic adjective. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. This type of adjective helps us in describing nouns, especially when they do not require the exact number. Some common adjectives of quantity are little, few, some, any, all, whole, sufficient, etc. For example, he gave me some money. There is enough food in the kitchen. She has many students. Workers have completed most of their work. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is used to express the size, shape, and color of a person, place, animal, or thing in a sentence. They are also known as descriptive adjectives or attributive adjectives. Their function is to add detail or description about a noun. For example, my grandfather has a black dog. A square-shaped kite is flying in the air. Kiara is a beautiful girl. Adjective of number. Adjective of number is used to depict either the number of nouns, or their position, or place, in a certain order. An adjective of number tells us exactly how many, or how much of something, there is. It differs from an adjective of quantity, that references a quantity of something, that cannot be counted, some milk, some lemonade. For example, there are 10 students in the classroom. You can get 24 hours service here. There is 1 piece of pizza left. Third place goes to Pooja. Interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun or pronoun in order to ask a question. There are only 3 interrogative adjectives: what, which, whose. For example, what town did they move to? What modifies the noun town. It is used to ask where the location of the town is. Which movie do you want to see? Which modifies the noun movie. It is used to ask which movie the person wants to see. Whose lunch is this? Whose modifies the noun lunch. It is used to ask who the lunch belongs to. When used in questions, the interrogative words why, when, where, and how are adverbs, and not adjectives. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to specifically describe the position of something, or someone, in space or time. Most commonly used demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those are also demonstrative pronouns. The difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns depends on how you use them. Demonstrative adjectives come before the noun they describe, while demonstrative pronouns replace the nouns they represent. For example, demonstrative adjective, do you want to see this movie? Demonstrative pronoun, do you want to see this? Demonstrative adjective, these chips are too spicy for me. Demonstrative pronoun, these are too spicy for me. Possessive adjective. A possessive adjective modifies a noun by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. In other words, a possessive adjective sits before a noun or a pronoun to show who or what owns it. The most commonly used possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. For example, I'm looking after her dog. She likes your hat. We went to my house. The lions hunted their prey. Exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjectives are used with nouns to indicate strong emotions. Sentences using exclamatory adjectives always end with an exclamation mark. The two most common exclamatory adjectives are what and how. For example, what a genius! What a beautiful dress! How curious they are! Emphatic adjective. When a word is used to emphasize or lay emphasis on a noun, it is called an emphatic adjective. For example, the very idea of living on the moon is highly impractical. She is the only girl who helped me. One's own deeds decide one's future. The queen herself cooked food for the king. In the above examples, the highlighted words, very, only, own, and herself, emphasize the nouns, idea, girl, one's deeds, and queen respectively. These are emphatic adjectives. Thank you.